Hey, so yes, finally a tutorial, and in this tutorial we are gonna make this. And no, I'm not just gonna let you know the how to make the star background. No, I'm gonna let you go through the whole process of this video making. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Open After Effects and create a new project and do what I do. After that, stretch the length of the video to 5 seconds. Now add cloud PNGs and the characters you want in your edit to be. Important point, always put a cloud in front of the character so it blends with it. After setting everything, add a camera and connect every PNG to the camera. Also, put the tile effect in the star background. Keep an example video just in case you can't understand what to make. Keep some beat marks when it starts to move to the second PNG. And then start to make the movements. Remember, you are not supposed to use the scale option, you are supposed to use the Z position to get the 3D camera effect. Here it might glitch a little bit, so you are supposed to select the star background and move it a little backwards so it doesn't glitch with it. Now add a null to make the second movement and connect the camera to the first null. After adding the keyframes, use the exact same graph that I'm using here. Duplicate or add another null and connect the first null to the second null. setting all the movement, come to the second stop and add all the PNGs and the character you want there to be. Again, connect all the PNGs and character to the camera. If the cloud or the PNG is coming in front of the first frame, just with the Z position, move it a little forward and lower its scale. A tip is, instead of doing that all over again, just duplicate the layer and go into the color and then the image one and select the image from that and replace it with it. If the character is out of the frame too much, you can change the position of the null, but then you will have to change the position of the all other nulls because they are all connected and all of them get affected. Now the third stop, add the character you want there to be. Here again the clouds are coming in front of the frame of the character, so again do what I did the last time. I know the camera movement is looking a bit weird in this frame, but we'll fix it in the further video. Now we swipe the character that the edit is actually about. Again, here it was glitching out a little bit, so for correctness you should just move the cloud a little forward the Z position. Now here I was just trying to make a good glitch effect to like to get the transition of the character. But if you have one of your own, you can just skip the last part of the final results. Now here I was just trying to make the white border headline of the whatever I was doing, but for some reason it was just not what it was glitching out very much. So you should just make the whole this into first and then export it and then correct the hiding all that. Just add the motion blur to see how it would turn out, but I didn't quite like it, so that's why I didn't add it in mine. But if you want to try and see how it turned out in yours, sure you can. After that I also tried the linear streaks and zoom streaks, but I didn't have any more charging in my phone, that's why I didn't try it, but you can if you know how to use it. Hey, so yeah, for some reason it did not export correctly. I don't know why it was happening. I tried exporting in different ways. I tried to change settings. I did whatever I did. Like I changed the frame rates right now, but it still didn't work. But I thought I had lost all the progress. But then I turned off the camera blare, and this time What are you waiting for? The tutorial is over. Go make edits now. But before going, wait. Before going to make edits, make sure to like, share, and subscribe and hype the video so that other mobile editors could also see and level up their edits. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.